Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. Am I audible? Is the screen clear? So today we will be doing important arithmetic question and the number of questions will be 10. Hello Akshaya. Hello Aryant. So in this arithmetic questions we will have these topics. Let us see what are the topics. We will be covering 5 different topics for this class, that is day 3. Let me write here. Today is day 3 of the crash course series for IBPS Clerk. And what are the arithmetic problem here? Hi Chris. First will be average. Okay, just a second, yeah. Average, percentage, time and work, number system, and the other is interest, that is simple interest and compound interest. Hi Siva, hi viral videos, hi Yamini. So in this session we will be covering these 5 topics. From every topic we will have 2 questions each, that is 2 on average, 2 on percentage, 2 on time and work, 2 on number system and 2 on interest, and this will be of different type, so that you can know all the concepts and what type of question comes in the examination. And which exam we are talking about? It is IBPS Clerk and pre, which is the first shift is on 5th of December. Hi Shushmita. And to attend this quiz, as this 10 questions will be in a format of quiz, you can join us here in cracku.in/live. So you can take part in this quiz, as we'll have winners, that is top 3 people, first, second and third, which will be eligible for IBPS mock test series. And this series will have 25 mock test, both in Hindi and English. So अगर आप हिंदी में comfortable हो, आप हिंदी में दे सकते हो एग्जाम, and if you are comfortable in English, you can go with English. Hi Govardhan, hi Pooja, hello Kamal. Chalo, let me write it again. Where you need to join for the quiz? It is cracku.in/live. And what are the prizes for the first, second and third? It is IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. Everybody please join here, as this will be a very important session with 10 questions, and this 10 questions will be of 5 different concepts, and there will be 2 questions each, and for every question there will be a different approach. Hi Paidi Raju. So the first 2 questions will be from average. They are very basic and questions that generally comes in the examination. So the time for each question will be given again 1 minute. Make sure you solve it as much as possible. You solve it as fast as possible. So shall we start the quiz? Hi Sai, hi Pathi. Sure Siva, we will have for Delhi Police GK. First, let us complete the quant reasoning and verbal section. We will do have for GK too. Chalo, this is the first question. Okay. Yeah. How many arithmetic questions will be asked in the examination? See, there are generally 10 to 15 questions from arithmetic portion, and they are always there. On the minimum side, you have 10 questions. So that is direct 10 marks. So, and it's a use marks, as the paper is of 35 marks, and 10 marks you are getting from arithmetic. So it's very important. Okay, 2% got this correct. Come on people. It's not that tough question, it's easy. Just the basic concept of average. Sure, Pathi. Okay. There's 2 people who got this correct and 1 wrong. Pati and Siva, you can come here and join to tracku.in/live. So you can be among these people. You can see as we have a leaderboard. We can check who is leading, who is not. So please join here. Even Paidi Raju, you can join here. Hello Muthu. Chalo, let's see what is the solution for this question. There is a class of 40 students. So in one class there are 40 students. That is given a direct data. Number of boys is 6 more than the number of girls. Okay, the average weight of entire class. So we know average is equals to sum of the entire class, that is sum of the weight of entire class divided by numbers. This is sum by number. This is the basic formula of average, which will solve all your problems. And it's not even a formula, it's just a general concept that if you get an average, if you want an average of something, what you do first is you add everything. Like we are 3 friends, we each friend have 5 chocolates. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. So if we are adding the chocolates of all the friends, what do we have? We have 15 chocolates. Now we are dividing it by 3 because we are only 3 friends now. So we divided 15 by 3. What did we get? We get is each friend has 5 chocolates. So this is the concept for average. You make the sum, you take out the sum, like add this, divide by the total number of people they are there, and that is what you get is average. So the entire class, so let us see what is the sum of weight of entire class. Sum of weight of entire class. So it is 40 into 48. Okay, is it clear till this much? So what is 40 into 48? It is 1920. It is, yeah. The other it is saying is boys are 6 more than girls. Let girls be G. So boys are G plus 6. This is given in the question. We know there are 40 students in the class. So we know G plus 6 is equals to 40. So what we get is 2G is equals to 34. We are taking it and subtracting it, and G is equals to 17. So now we know there are 17 girls in the class. So directly boys are 23. We got this data. The average weight of girls is given. So we can find the sum of weight of girls. sum of weight of girls, which is 17, that is average into number of weight. This is 17 into 45.3. So what is 17 into 45.3? You get 7701 when you multiply this, and 0.3, so 0.1 here. So this is approximately 770. Okay, this is the sum of girls. So you can directly find the sum of boys. Sum of boys is total minus girls. If there are only girls and boys, so if you minus entire thing from the number of years, so you get this. So this is 1920 minus 770. What do you get is 1150. Yeah. Is this the answer? No, this is the sum of weight. We need to find the average weight. So what we do is we divide it by number of boys. And what is the number of boys? It is 23. So divided by 23, what you get is here 50. Option number B is the correct answer. Yes, Vashant? Okay, 502 bad gateway appearing at site. Okay, we are checking it with. Okay, this was the solution for this. Now we will move to the second question of the average. Hello, Karan Joshi. Yes, Vashant Kumar, you are right. Okay, 3 people got this wrong, 2 right. Last 5 seconds remaining, let's see. This is a problem for percentage. Okay, with this, we have 5 correct answer and 4 wrong answer. There's actually 4 people with the same score. Vashant, you can join here. cracku.in/live to take part in this quiz, as if you are having your maximum answers correct, you can be one among the top 3 people and will be eligible for winning the hamper. Chalo, let's see. Okay, a simple question. A man invested 20% of his monthly income in an insurance, okay, and gave remaining amount to his mother. So let us break this in part. First, what is the monthly income? So let the income, that is monthly income, be 100x. Why are we taking 100x? As this is given in the percentage, so it will be easier to solve. As this type of question, if you solve it with percentage, you'll get things in decimal. Okay, you'll get the correct answer, but it will just complicate it. So any place, if you're having percentage, you can take 100x and at the last you can just multiply this. So let the income be 100x. The first thing, he gave 20%, he invested 20% in insurance. So invested amount is equals to 20% of 100x. So what is the remaining amount that he gave to his mom? Is 100x minus 20% of 100x. So while solving, once you have practice of solving this, rather than doing this, you can just do it. It is 80% of 100x. And what is 80% of 100x? It is again 80x, as this 100 and this percentage will get cancelled and you will get 80x. And if you are doing here, what you get is 100x minus 20x So this is 80x. This is the remaining amount he gave to his mom. Now his mom spent 10% from this. So remember, she is spending 10% from the remaining amount but not the total amount. So you need to find is spent by mom is 10% of 80x. Okay. So what is the remaining amount? Is equals to 80x minus 10% of 80x, 10% of 80x. Okay. When you solve this, what do you get? It is 80x minus 8x, and that again is 72x. Now we know, and she saved, after spending 10%, she is saving 36,000. So will this be equals to this, as this is the remaining amount she is saving? Yes, definitely. So this is equals to this. Cancel 1 ja, this is 2 ja. Here we have 1000 now. 2 1 ja. This is x is equals to 500. Is this our answer? Are we finding x? No, we need 100x. So what is his income? Is 500 into 100, that is, what is the correct answer here? Option C is the correct answer. Yes, Vasant, it is, and Muthu, these are the correct answer. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Chalo, a very easy question. You can just do it. It will not take like 20 seconds also. This is that easy. You know what is 100%, you know what is 200%, you know what is numerator and denominator. For all the updates, you can join our Telegram group. We also have, we are also there. That is Crack Q RRB SSC Banking Exam. Yes, Ariyant, a very easy one. And we can see already 4 people got this correct and 3 wrong. Come on, Akshaya. This was the easy one. Chalo, let's see. 4 people got this correct and 4 wrong. What is the question saying? We'll read that first. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 100% and the denominator of the fraction is decreased by 200%, the resultant fraction is 7 by 5. What is the original fraction? So it is asking the original fraction. So let the original fraction be x by y. Can we say this? Yes, definitely, as both are unknown term, we don't know. So now we need an increase of 100%. If there is an increase of 100%, that means it is 200% of x, as it is x plus 100% of x. So it is 200%, that is 2x, but we will write in detail, don't worry. So when you are increasing the numerator, it is 100% of x, and denominator is by 200, then that is 300. So it will be y plus 200% of y. Shall I solve this? It's 100 by 100 into x. So you get x here, y plus 200 by 100 into y. So you get 2y here. When you add, what do you get is 2x by y plus 2y is 3y. And this is equals to, as said here, it is 7 by 5. So x by y is, multiply this here, 7 3 ja 21, multiply 2 and 5 here, 10. This was our original fraction. So what is the answer? It is option D, 21 by 10. Okay, let's move to the next question. See, whenever you are doing an arithmetic problem where a sentence is given with lots of information, the first thing is, and this will solve the 90% of the problem, you just need to figure out all the data and arrange them, as ultimately they will make an equation to find a value. Once you are able to form that equation, a normal equation, then you will be able to solve the problem. So, every time we do here is, we collect the values, we form an equation. Now, while forming the equation, make sure you are adding the term which have the same unit, like you can't add time and distance, but rather you can add time and distance and distance. And there is an easy way of checking this, that whether you are correct or not. You can go dimensionally. Like dimensional checking is, you see what are the unit this side, which should be equal to the unit in the left hand side. So, the units in right hand side should be equal to the units in left hand side. That is called dimensional checking. Okay, 6 people got this correct and no right. Let us see what is the correct answer to this question. How many right answers were given by him? Okay, for every correct answer in the examination, you are given plus 12. For every wrong answer in the examination, it is getting deducted 1/4. Like in IBPS, for every one correct answer you get 1 marks, and for every wrong answer you get 1/4, that is 1/4 of 12, and that is 3. This is, you will get -3. This is the data given. Number of question he attempted is 54. So, what is the total marks? For how many marks he attempted the question? So, marks are 54 into 12. As whatever he attempted, he felt like this is correct and that is why he did this. That is very normal. When you multiply this, what you get is 648. 4 2s are 8. Yeah, you get 648. But what he actually got is, actual marks is 288. So, what is the difference between these marks? Difference is 648 minus 288, it is 360. That means this is the marks he lost for negative marking. Now, there is an important part to know. See, whenever you do a negative marking, is it just the 1/4 marks getting deducted, or is it 1 plus the 1/4 marks? As whatever question you are doing, you are getting that wrong, so you will not be given marks for that particular question. So, that will make a loss of 12 marks, and on top of that they are deducting -3 from this. So, what is the loss? It is the loss of 15 marks. And similarly, even you don't go like this in the examination. Just don't feel like what is it getting deducted, only 0.25 na. So, I will just mark, I will just guesswork, I will do correct whatever I feel like. No, it is just not 1/4, it is 1 plus 1/4. So, it is 12 plus 3, 15. So, and this is the marks he lost for negative marking. So, just divide it by 15. What do you get is 24. So, questions he lost for negative marking is, these are the number of questions marked wrongly. Is this asked in the question? No, they are asking how many he attempted correctly. So, just 54 minus 24, it is 30. Option E is the correct answer. Hi Rahul. So, other thing you can do is, you can just go like with what approximating it. For example, he is getting 288 after doing the negative marking. So, whatever he marks he must get is, it should be greater than 288 or even greater than 300. That is why he will do something wrong and he will get back. See what is the, just say let us take it 30 or anything with which ends at 10, like 20, 30, 40. So, 54, let us take 20. If he is doing only 20 correct, then what will he get is this, it is 240. This is less than 288, so not possible. Try it with 30. What you get is 360. It is greater than 288. This may be possible. So if it is 30, then how many questions he is doing wrong? It is 24. For every wrong question, he is getting minus 3. So what is this? This is 72. Subtract it here. What you get is 288. So you got 288. Here it is 288. That means the correct is 30. No need to see for 40 and 50. This is the easiest way you can do. This will take only 10 to 20 seconds, and this is the process. You can follow this. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Can we expect questions on probability? Yes, there are questions on probability and permutation and combination too. Like there are just 1 to 2 questions, and not every time. So there are sometimes you get questions from there. There are just 1 to 2 questions. So yes, the answer is yes. You can expect questions from there. You never know. There are lot of shifts in the examination. Even one day you get 3 to 4 shifts of the examination, and you have different paper for all the shifts. So you never know which paper is tough and which is easier. And if you get a tough section, that time even don't worry, as there is normalization of marks. Hey, yeah, people joining now. You can come to cracku.in/live. Come on, Akshaya. There's 7 people who got this correct and 5 wrong. There's Aryant and Rajeshwari with same score, that is 3. Krishna Karthik with 2.75. Karan Joshi with 1.5. Akshaya and Sumit with 1. And Sai Prasad with 0.75. Come on, people. Come on, Karan, Akshaya. You can come up. Let's see. What is the question saying? Question says, sum of 3 prime number is 53. If the first number is 6 more than the third number, and the second number is 4 less than the third number, find the smallest number among the 3. Okay, do we know what are the prime numbers? No. So let the prime numbers be x, y and z. So first thing given is 53. This is given in the question. It is saying the first number is 6 more than the third number. So if this is the third number, then x is equals to z plus 6. Second number is 4 less than the third number. So y is the second number, as we have let here. So it is z minus 4, as it is 4 less than the third number, and z is z. Can we replace this here? Yes, we definitely can. So when we replace it, what is it? It is z plus 6 plus z minus 4 plus z is equals to 53. So when you do, you get it 3z plus 2 is equals to 53, or 3z is equals to 53 minus 2 is 51, 17. So z is equals to 17. Is this your answer? Can you see the first option and tick, like without analyzing it? No. Please see the question, what it is saying to find. It is saying us to get the smallest number, among the 3. So if this is, we got the value of z, and from here we can say what is the smallest number. Smallest number is y. As see, z is z, x is 6 more than z, only y is the one which is less than z. So y is the smallest number. What is the value of y then? Y is equals to 17 minus 4, it is 13. Option C is the correct answer, and 7 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Let's go to the next question. How many questions from number system will be asked in the examination? Generally they ask one question and sometime two, but mostly one. Yes, Aryan, 30 is the answer. Please join to cracku.in/live and I can see your name here. Hello Nagunuri Jayashree. Okay, one correct, one wrong. This is the simple time and work question, just with a small difference. Okay, the time is up. With this, 5 people got this correct and 6 wrong. So let us see what is the solution for this. See, generally people find time and work problem to be difficult, but it's not difficult. It's just like use your thought process, just like normal thing we do in day-to-day life. You can solve these questions by this. For example, if you are taking more people, then obviously you will require less number of days, and if you are taking less people, then you will need more number of days. We will even do this question. First, let us do this. It is given A completes a work in 24 days. Okay, and B is more efficient than A. How many times? It is 20% more efficient than A. Now, let the work be let the total work be 1. Can we say the total work to be 1? Yes, definitely. Why can we say total work to be 1? As we are just letting it to be 1 and they are completing one entire work, so we are taking it to be 1. Okay, so let the total work to be 1. So efficiency of A will be total work divided by number of days A is taking, that is time taken by A, and this is, so efficiency of B will be it is 20% more, so it is 120%. It is, as it's more, it's not only 20%, it's more, so it is 100 plus 20, so 120% of A, where A is 1 by 24, we know this. So let us solve this. 0 0, 12 ones are 12 twos are, it is 1 by 20, and this is efficiency of B. So what is the time taken by B? So time taken by B will be, again, total work by efficiency. So this will be 20. We know, while solving the problem, we know this, that whatever is in the denominator, that is the time taken, but sometimes these are not simple fraction like this. So the actual thing is the time taken by B is the total work divided by the efficiency. So it is 20 days. It is saying C can complete the same work in 4 more days than B. So time taken by C is (20 plus 4 is equals to 24). I am doing it step by step, so you can understand like what is the procedure, how do we solve this question. So what is the question asking us? It is asking us time taken by A and C together to complete the work. Okay, so can we just add 24 and 24, or take an average like 24 plus 24 divided by 2, so we get 24 as the answer and we can mark option B here? No, it's not that. You find the efficiency of C. Efficiency of C will be 1 by 24. So what is the total efficiency? Let me write here. total efficiency of A plus C will be 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24, and this will give us 2 by 24, that is 1 by 12. We are getting this efficiency. So, time taken is total work divided by the efficiency. This will be 12 days. What is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. First, we know this is given, so we have found the efficiency, then we have find the efficiency of B, then we found out what is the time taken by B, and then step by step. So here the correct answer is option D. And let me clear everything so I can see, and 5 people got this correct and 6 wrong. Let us go to the next question now. Okay, 2 people got this correct. It is not that difficult as you feel like. You just need to know the ratio of men and days and work, as the only thing same here is work. Hi Lokesh. Okay, with this 8 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Yes Aryanth, a easy one, but rather a conceptual one. If you know the concept, how do we solve this, then it is a very easy one. So what is the relation of men and days? It is M1 into D1 divided by, if the work is same, remember if the work is same, work is equals to M2 into D2 divided by work. So if the work are same, this get cancelled out. So it is M1 into D1 is equals to M2 into D2. This is the thing you need to know. You can just apply the values and you will get the answer. It is 24 into days is 60 is equals to men is 30 given and days is here. So 1 is 2, days is 48. Yes Lokesh, you are correct. Option D is the correct answer. So this was the solution for this. Why do we do this is we find the total work. Total work is again the men and the number of days. We multiply total men taking how many days, that is 60 days here, which is equals to, as the work is same, so for doing the same work, that means there will be again the same work. So we equate it with the same thing. As to solve any question in arithmetic, the final thing we need is an equation. Once you are able to equate things, 90% of things are done. You just need to solve the equation and you will get the value. Chalo, 8 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Let's go to the next question. How to crack railway exam like NTPC, JEE? Okay Lokesh, don't worry, we'll come up with that too, like how to crack. Even there is 1 month for RRB NTPC, so we'll let you know that what is the easy way. First rather, the first thing you do is you go through the syllabus once. That is very important, you must know, and not the syllabus that other sites are publishing. You go to the official syllabus, that whatever the board have published it, as you must not miss a minute things. Sometimes a direct things comes from the syllabus, whatever they have said there, they will be asking this and they will ask that and you are like, oh, I have not studied this, oh shit, this went wrong, oh no. First you go through the syllabus, you will know what to read and what not to read. So once you do that, you will definitely know what is the pattern of the examination, how to proceed. Okay, 2 people got this correct and 2 wrong. Four people got this wrong and 2 correct. Okay, this is a very easy question. Venkata Durga Prasad, we will see what is the solution for this. 2 people got this correct and 4 wrong. So, a sum becomes 5 times. So, let the principal be 100. You can take x also, but again let us not complicate it. So, I am taking it to be 100. To make this principal have been 5 times, that is sum, or you can say amount. Amount is equals to 500. What is amount? Amount is always principal plus interest. So, principal plus interest is 500. We know what is principal, it is 100. So, what will the interest be? Definitely it will be 400. Okay, don't worry, I will solve this by taking x also. So, you do not get confused like from where did I get 100. So, interest is here 400. It is saying us simple interest. We know what is simple interest. It is P R T by 100, that is principal into rate into time by 100 is equals to 400. We need to find the rate. We know the time is given here 10 and principal to be 100. So, it is 100 into rate into time is 10 here divided by 100 is equals to 400. 100 cancel, 0 and 0 are cancelled here. R is equals to 40% and this is the correct answer. So, option C is the correct answer. Yes, Lokesh, it is option C. Chalo, let us do with x now again, so that you do not get confused that from where did I get 100. Let principal be x. So, we know that principal is getting 5 times after 10 years. So, what is it getting? So, the amount is getting 5x. We know what is amount? Amount is principal plus interest. 5x. What is principal? Principal is x. So, what is interest? You just minus 5x and x. What you get? 4x. We know, as this is simple interest, we know the formula of interest. It is PRT by 100 is equals to 4x. Put the value of P, that is x. R we need to find, into T, that is 10 by 100 is equals to 4x. X and x will get cancelled out, 0 and 0 here. R is equals to 40%. So, the correct answer is option C. Chalo, let us go to the next question now. This is a similar question. You just need to catch like what is the difference between the earlier question and this question. It will be easy to crack this question. Yes, Venkata Durga Prasad, it's 40%. There are 2 people with the same score, Akshaya and Rajeshri. And Krishna Karthik and Sumit Das. Let us see who is going to be among the top 3 people. Okay, with this, the timer is off. There are 4 people who got this correct and 2 wrong. Let us see how do we solve this. The ratio of principal and final amount is 5:6 and this is also asked in simple interest. So, principal is to amount is equals to 5:6. So, let the ratio be 5x and 6x. Can we say this as if you take the ratio of this, you will get again 5x, 5 is to 6. So your principal is 5x and amount is 6x. We know amount is principal plus interest is equals to amount. So again, what is the interest we are getting is x. We know interest, that is simple interest, is equals to PRT by 100 is equals to x. What is P? P is 5x. We need to find the rate. What is the time given? It is given 2 years here. 2 years, 100 is equals to x. X and x gets cancelled out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0, 2 ones are. R is equals to 10%. Option A is the correct answer. And 5 people got this correct. Chalo. So this was the last question. There are 3 people in the leaderboard: Aryanth with score 6, Rajeshri with score 5 and Akshaya with score 4. So there are other people like Sumit Das and Krishna Karthik with the same score 3.75 and 3.75. Sai Prasad with 3.5 and Bijay with 1.75. But for now, the top 3 people is Aryanth, Rajeshri and Akshaya. Congratulations people, you are eligible for IBPS mock test series. And this will have 25 mock test and in 2 languages, that will be हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. तो अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा, एंड इफ यू वांट टू गिव इट इन इंग्लिश देन गो एंड गिव इट इन इंग्लिश. We also have all the sectional paper for quants, reasoning and English, and even for GK if you are preparing for RRB, NTPC or JEE exam. And we do have free mock test and even the paid mock test, and they are the winner for this session. We will come up tomorrow again at 4 p.m. as we are daily live at 4 p.m. Monday to Friday, with this time with all the different topic, just so that before the examination we can cover all the topics and be prepared for the examination. Which exam I am talking about here is IBPS Clerk 3, and the first shift of the examination is on 5th of December. So make sure you practice as much as mocks possible, and even you solve the previous year paper and keep practicing. Till then, thank you everyone. We also have past year paper. You can just go and check. And please do like, share and subscribe, and even press the bell icon, so whenever we come online you can just get a notification that we are online. Thank you.